Weather First meteorologist Grayson Freund joins us now, and it was so chilly outside today. Are we going to be warming up anytime soon?
Well, you're right. It was very cold out there today, and I actually just went over to our door to just kind of check outside, and I grabbed the door handle and it was cold. I opened the door and I blew and I could see my breath. So that's when you know it's cold out there. And unfortunately, this cold winter chill is going to be taking control this week, and it's going to be a pretty big shock, especially where last week we were above normal in the 30s, even 40s. This week it's looking a little bit different, and we'll have temperatures back below normal through most of this week, especially by Wednesday, where we'll be dropping down into the teens. And so it's just going to be a very wintry and a cold week. But speaking of winter weather, we do have our next really strong winter storm system that's starting to track in to the Midwest. Some flurries are making their way into the southwestern portion of the state. But luckily for us, most of the snow and a majority of it is going to be staying well off to our south down in Missouri as well as into Illinois. So we will manage to stay dry for tonight here in eastern Iowa with mostly cloudy skies, temperatures dropping into the low teens and single digits for our counties to the north. And then as we head into tomorrow, the clouds will be sticking around. We'll have temperatures rising into the mid to upper teens, but it won't be feeling like that. And we will have to take these wind chills into account, where we'll have these values near and below zero overnight tonight. And then as we head into tomorrow, it'll be feeling more like the single digits rather than the teens. So if you have to go outside at all tomorrow, I suggest you layer and bundle up. But as far as the snow goes, we do have these higher totals that will again be staying to the south of the state. We may see a little bit of accumulation along the Missouri and Iowa border. And here's just one model, the European model. So this is again showing those higher totals down to the south. Here's the GFS. This is tracking things a little bit more north, but regardless of that, we're really not going to see much of this here in our viewing area. We may see the chance for a flurry or two, maybe south of Highway 30, but overall accumulations are not looking likely, and the bulk of that snow is going to stay well out of our area. But here's a look at that. We'll have the clouds around tonight. That system passes to our south, leading to some very high snow totals to our south, up to 10+ inches. Nothing like that here. We'll stay mostly cloudy for tomorrow. It'll be breezy with winds out of the north, pulling in that cooler air. We'll continue to stay cloudy overnight into Monday morning, but by Monday afternoon, the sun returns and we'll have a nice, quiet, but still pretty chilly day. And then the clouds will build back in by Monday night into Tuesday. But in the meantime, we have temperatures around 20 degrees tomorrow and mostly cloudy skies. The sun returns on Monday, temperatures around 23, and then the rest of the work week is looking pretty quiet and dry, but temperatures on the other hand will be a lot chillier in the upper teens and low 20s.